You're going to need a Torx 30 to remove the rear mudguard. With that removed, I'm going to come up to the brake caliper, remove the 2 locking pins, 1, 2, needle nose pliers, get a pinch on it, pull it up. I'm going to unclip the ABS sensor and the brake cable, and we're going to undo this bolt and this bolt which holds the caliper in place. You're going with Torx 40 for these bolts. With the bolt removed, the caliper is a little bit freer now, and it's detached from the bike. You can see it there. I'm going to remove this pin now to make it easier to remove the brake pads. You're going to need to give this a clean up as well, and then give it a slight lube too. One here, and the other one's in here. These aren't too bad at all. So I've done 3 years on the bike, maybe 16,000 kilometers, Norway and back, all around Ireland, all through Europe. Get yourself some good brake cleaner, clean off the pin. And you're going to want to do the same with that caliper as well. You're going to have a lot of gunk built up in here, so good brake cleaner, toothbrush, something similar, and make sure you give that a good clean. Get that clean, give it a wipe down, and it's also best to clean off when you have an opportunity here as well. So I'm going to put the caliper back on now that it's clean and tidy. Haven't got the brake pads installed yet, but I'm going to put the caliper back on. It'll just make it a little bit easier for me. There's a little lip it's going to catch onto, and then the pin is going to hold it in place. And then the same on the near side. Once they're in place, you can insert the pin. Now that the pin's in place, you put your pin clips back in. For all of that done, you're just gonna torque these 2 bolts to 24 Newton meters, which is just under 18 foot-pound. You're going back and putting on your mudguard. And these last 3 bolts are going on 3 Newton meters, which is 2 foot per pound. 2 foot a pound. Very lightly. And don't forget to click the sensor cable, the brake cable back together. Then just give your pads a little bit of time to wear in, and you're good to go.